Alright, man, before we head out, may I please have your first and last name for the video?
Alright, Jill Sharpia.
Alright, very good. We're in truck 1 heading out for a 2-lap ride.
Alright.
Truck 1 heading out for 2.
Okay. Is it okay?
Confident, are you clear?
Woo! Holy shit. Okay.
Copy clear, inbound.
Oh, we is in bound for something. Woo! Holy fuck. Ah! Woo! Okay. It's like, what goes up does come down. Woo! Yeah, right. We got this. Okay.
You doing alright?
I'm perfect.
Alright.
I might scream like a little girl.
That's alright. Go for it.
I apologize. Oh. Good time, good time. Oh, yeah. Holy mother of... Who needs a roller coaster? Get to play with trucks all day. That'll sit you down. All right.
Truck 1 on exit.
I like it. I like it.
Cool. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it, man.
Good brakes, good brakes.
Yeah, good brakes.
I like brakes. Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, thanks for coming out.
I'm like, thank you. I'm like, that's freaking awesome. Think we got the Tata sweaty here. Hold up. Oh, that's freaking awesome.